What's up, guys? Welcome back to Bimmer PhD. I'm your host, Tim, and it is toasty today. Welcome to California. I think it's like 92 degrees today. But we got progress on this N57 diesel engine. If you remember from my last video, this was the 2017 BMW X5 35D, right? So this is the most modern diesel engine that you can get before they discontinued it due to emissions. Boo hoo hoo. All right, let's see what's going on the intake system. Ryan here is one of our master techs that was working on the car. If you remember, he's going to tell us what he did on the walnut shell blasting.
Okay, so basically walnut shell blasting is a process where you take, this has two different style ports, so you need two different style connectors, but one of these, they go into their corresponding port shapes, and what you do is you connect a vacuum to this, and it draws, it's constantly pulling, and then there's a wand that goes in here, and it shoots an abrasive material that's made of walnut shells into the port. The walnut shell is it's dense and heavy enough that it can remove the carbon, but it doesn't damage the ports or the valves in the way that a sand blast or a glass blast or any sort of other media blasting would. But these get very, very thick amounts of carbon on them because of the EGR system in the US. And you can see they're very nice and tidy now. You have to make sure, it's a process you must do carefully though, because you have to make sure the valves are closed or you'll blow a bunch of abrasive material into the engine, and that's obviously a big no-no.
And the reason why this is happening is diesel engines have what we call a fart sniffer, also known as an EGR valve. And EGR is short for exhaust gas recirculation. Yep, exhaust gas. This car is breathing its own farts. So as it comes off the exhaust, that soot that we don't like coming out of diesel engines goes through the EGR valve and then starts going through the intake system and gets caramelized on the intake valves. So a way to prevent this without having to do large amounts of labor, some work like this, is to use BG products. Right here, we call this the ISC, or the Steve Bash Special. That's because Steve Bash turned us on to this. This product is very effective because what it does is it goes inside the intake's port while the engine is running and then sucks this chemical through and slowly but surely melts off the carbon. So if you were a dentist, this would be your cleaning, and what we did right here would be a root canal. So this is how you can prevent it. There's another tip that I wanted to talk about while we're in here, which is a culprit and usually causes clients to sell their cars. Ryan's going to tell us about the CP4.
This is the CP4 pump. These have these are noted as having a high failure rate, and what a lot happens on a lot of these ones is they seize, and the timing chain is back here in this case. This is a reverse motor, like the B motors on the newer cars. And what happens is this will seize and it breaks the chains, like similar to the oil pump did on our other car. And it can cause catastrophic engine failure. So it's something you really want to take care of as best you can.
And a way to avoid that from happening, again, we turn to our partners at BG. And if you're putting this 245 fuel additive inside your fuel system regularly, then you're now lubricating the fuel. You need to lubricate the diesel fuel. If you can take one thing away from this video, remember, if you don't lubricate the diesel fuel, it has ethanol inside. Ethanol is basically water, and if you go to your gas station next time, you can see it could have up to 20% ethanol. That's crazy. So by doing that, you're lubing it. Back in the old day when they had farmers and diesel trucks, they used to pour a liter of transmission fluid inside the fuel. Why? You need to lubricate the diesel because diesel fuel is how it combusts inside the engine. So make sure that you're taking your diesel to a shop that is knowledgeable, a shop that is credible, and a shop that knows how to provide a solution while making your experience pleasurable. All right, guys, if you've enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.